we got a key fob from a 2026 Lexus GX550, and to open it up to replace the battery, what we got to do is turn it over to the side right here. See how it says push right here? We're going to push this, the top corner of it, like that. And then we're going to pull out the door key. Okay. Now once we have the door key out, turn it back here and look, there's a slot right here. Use a small flathead screwdriver, put it in this slot, and give it a twist. Alright. Now crack the remote open. Now when you do this, you want to do this with the buttons facing down, okay? That way nothing falls out onto the floor, alright? So here's your battery right here. We can see that the battery is marked with a positive here. That's facing out towards us, and this is the battery size. It's a CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get a new battery from Amazon, I have a link in the description box and in the comment box where you can get one of those. If you just click on it, it'll take you right there and you get it really quick. But if you just kind of pry on the top of it right there, it'll just pop right out, so be careful. And you can get your new battery and end up sticking it back in here just like this, locking it in, okay? So it goes up in the top first, locks in. We just get our other half and we just put it back, sandwich it back together. I like to start on the top and then work our way back down. Make sure it snaps all the way down, just like that. You're good to go. Let's go ahead and get the door key, snap it back in. Your remote's all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit subscribe for me, or even leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. Hope to see you guys in another Lexus video.